Worried about what's happening at your front door when you're away? Or even when you're home? Every family deserves peace of mind knowing their loved ones and belongings are safe. Meet the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, the newest model designed for ultimate home security. It offers head-to-toe HD plus video, giving you an expanded view of your entire entryway. Never miss a detail again. Enjoy advanced motion detection and instant alerts directly to your phone. With crystal-clear two-way talk, you can greet visitors or deter unwanted guests from anywhere. Color night vision ensures you see clearly, even after dark. Installation is a breeze, and the convenient quick-release battery pack makes recharging simple. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with Alexa, allowing you to hear motion alerts or see a live view on compatible devices. This doorbell is your first line of defense against theft and provides invaluable peace of mind. Know who's at your door, monitor package deliveries, and keep your family safe with smart, reliable technology. Ready to upgrade your home security? Click the link in our bio to learn more and get your Ring Battery Doorbell Plus today on Amazon. Protect your home, protect your family. Link in description.